So, hello my friends, today we are going to learn about integers. Our chapters today, integers. We are going to talk about integers. Today we will complete the following topics. Now first we'll learn what are integers. So integers is nothing but a collection of whole numbers. Whole number. Now what is whole number? The number which is from 0, 1 and dot till infinite. These are called whole numbers. Okay. So the integer is collection of whole number and negative numbers. So what are negative numbers? -1, -2, -3. These all are negative rational numbers. -4, just opposite of all natural numbers. Just they have -n, like -5. Okay, these are called integers, collection of whole numbers and a negative numbers. These are called integers. Once again I repeat the definition of integer: collection of whole numbers and negative natural numbers. Collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. Shall we continue? Okay. Now we go on to addition and subtraction of integers. From now you will concentrate every slide from here. If two numbers have same sign, we add them and put the sign. If two numbers have different signs, we subtract smaller from the bigger one. First we have what we used to do in third, fourth, we used to subtract bigger number from smaller. But now from smaller number to bigger number we will cancel. How we will cancel? Now we will know in the next slide. So I shall move to the next slide. Some basic formulas, you need to write these formulas, very important. Very important for class 7 fellows who are learning integers. Very important these formulas. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Now how to use these formulas I'll tell. Now someone tell you to add -2 and +4. So how you'll add? In that slide I told, if two numbers have different signs, we subtract smaller number from bigger number. So now what is the smaller in this? 4 is small or -2 is small? Obviously -2 is small. So now we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. But we can't subtract. Now here what we do? We subtract 4 and -2. We subtract 4 and -2. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Now here we'll keep +2 or -2. Here we will keep +2 or -2. Tell me fastly. So I was telling some basic formulas. How to use these formulas? -2 plus 4. One example I took. So now you add 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. Now the question is, it will be +2 or -2. The answer will come in positive number or negative number. Here we are adding minus and plus. See, according to this formula, minus and plus is equal to what? Minus and plus is equal to what? In this formula, minus into plus is equal to minus. That tells us whenever you add negative and positive numbers, you always subtract. Okay. When you see two different signs, you always subtract. Here minus is different sign, plus is different sign, you subtract it. When you see same signs like -2, -4, here you will add 6. Okay. These are same signs. Minus, same signs. But here is what? Minus and plus, both are different signs. So we subtract over here. And then when they are same signs like -2 and -4, we add them. And we keep the sign of the bigger number. Here bigger number sign is -4, so we kept -4. And here bigger number sign is +4, so we kept +2. Whoever understood, keep timestamp and kept understood. Or who didn't understood, Message me personally. So now I gave your example. Example, add minus 5 plus 4 solution. Plus 2 and minus 4. Add this. So plus and minus should never see their faces. Like if you write like this will be incorrect. This is minus. Don't think what I have wrote. Let me just erase this thing. So this become minus. So plus and minus, here both are seeing their faces, but plus and minus should never see their faces. So what we should do? You should keep minus 4 in brackets. Minus 2 plus brackets minus 4, because plus and minus should never see their faces. Never and ever. Like you never see your enemy face. Plus and enemies are opponents. That's why they never see their faces. If they used to be friends, they used to see their faces. But they are not friends, they are enemies. Take example like this. So now what we told? Minus 2 plus minus 4. So it will be same as minus 2. Now plus into minus. Go to again some basic formula. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. See here. Plus into minus. Here this formula. Yeah, I am telling this formula to remember. Plus into minus. What was plus into minus? Minus. So here what you should do? You should add or subtract. What you should sign keep here? What you should keep the sign over here? You should give minus. You will have to give minus. Why? Because when you open plus and minus, you get always minus. And when you open minus and minus, you get always plus. Okay? So minus 2 and this is minus 4. Okay? Minus 2, minus 4. Now they are same signs. Minus and minus. So add these both. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. What is a greater number sign? Greater number sign is minus. So keep here minus. Whoever understood, thumbs up. Give thumbs up and write thumbs up. Or keep the symbol of thumbs up. Moving on to the next slide. Add minus 2 and plus 4. Now what we are going to add here? Minus 2 and plus 4. So how you are going to add this? See, I gave your solution. Minus 2 plus 4. Now both are different signs. Minus and plus 4. Here I wrote your signs. Why I don't know. I will correct it. Different signs. It is SINGS, not SINC. Okay, correct it. SINGS. It is SINGS. So what is the now you should subtract 4 minus 2. I told you the rule. When you see different signs, that is minus and plus. Now they are different signs. So what you should do? You should subtract every time. Whenever you see different sign, you should subtract. Whenever you see same sign, you should add. So 4 minus 2. It will become 2. So what is the greater number sign? Greater number sign is plus 4. So keep on plus 2. If people have understood, keep the timestamp and keep done or thumbs up symbol. Now into the song of addition and subtraction. Very important rules. These are very important. Please note down whatever I am giving. Please note down. Okay, same signs add and keep. Whenever you see same signs like minus 2, minus 5, you add. Now whenever you see different signs, minus 2 plus 4. These both are different examples. Okay, keep a line over here. This is different box and this is different box. Now don't concentrate at this text. You forgot this text. Now tell what will be the answer of this plus 2 and minus 2 plus 4. So obviously answer will be 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Bigger number sign is plus 4. So you write 2. So what is the answer of minus 2 and minus 5? Same signs. Same signs, add and keep. That's why we get here 7. Different signs, subtract. Give the sign of the higher number. Keep the sign of the higher number. What is here higher number? Minus 5. So which sign will come? Minus. Here what is the higher number? Plus 4. So here what symbol will come? Plus 2. Who have understood? Keep thumbs up symbol, the time stamp. Now we will see here multiplication and division of integers. Very important topic. Again remember those formulas. These formulas are very important. Learn these formulas and full integers is for you a cakewalk. Cakewalk. A piece of cake. When you learn these integers, there will be a piece of cake. Integers is a piece of cake. None other than thing. Okay, these formulas are very important. Very, very, very important. So what we are discussing? Multiplication and division of integers. Let's see this topic with the help of an example. Add minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. So what will you will get an answer? Leave this sign. Now we don't know signs. So 2 into 4 what will be? 8. Again that integer form. Keep the sign of the higher number. Higher number. Keep the sign of the higher number. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. Why? Because you are multiplying. And minus into minus is always what? Plus. So answer will become plus 8. Minus into minus. First you multiply the digits 2 and 4. Then you multiply the signs. Minus and minus. One more example. Minus 3. Let me write this correctly. So what we will do here? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 4. First we multiply the digits. What we get the answer? 2 into 4, 8. Now we multiply the signs. Minus into minus. What will be minus into minus? Back you go, back, very back. Some basic formulas. Remember this topic. Every time you remember this topic. Minus into minus. What? What is minus into minus? It is plus. Okay, now go friend. Minus into minus. What will it become? Plus. So answer will be what? Plus 8. Whoever have understood the topic of multiplication, thumbs up with the timestamp. Now another example. Minus 2 into plus 4. First add only digits. Answer will be 8. Now add the signs. Minus and plus. So answer will be what? Minus into plus what? It will be minus. The answer will be minus 8. Whoever have understood, thumbs up with the timestamp. Now example, multiply minus 9 into 3. So how will you multiply this? So first you will multiply only digits. 27. Okay, answer is 27. But plus 27 or minus 27. Here is minus and here nothing is there. So we will consider as plus. And one more thing. Plus 3 and 3 are same. Okay. Plus 3 and only 3 is same. 3 and minus 3 is the same. Very important point. Some people will confuse here only. Is plus 3 and 3 same? Yeah, it is same. So answer will be what? Minus into plus what? Minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Some basic formulas. Please remember this. I am giving very important to the topic. Some basic formulas. Here are some homework. First time I will explain you. Here what they gave? Minus 10 and minus of minus 6. So this complicated equation they give. Now how you should solve? Minus and here place is not there. I am going to continue over here. So please you people take screenshot. You will take screenshot, then I'll write. If people take screenshot, then only I will explain to you. Take screenshot, this is a homework. You are going to write it. Screenshot. Have you took the screenshot? If you have not took, take screenshot. Okay. Pause the video and take screenshot. Now we are going to solve the equation. Minus 10 and minus of minus 6. If we open this bracket, what we get? Minus 10. Minus into minus what? Minus into minus. Some basic formulas. Very important. Minus into minus. When you open brackets, you get plus 6. So here you have different signs. Minus and plus. Minus and plus are different signs. So what we do? We subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. So what sign will come? Plus sign will come or minus sign? Bigger number sign is what? Plus 6. Here minus sign is not bigger. Every time negative integers are small than positive integers. Negative integers are small and positive integers are big. Okay. All the negative integers are small than the positive integers. Remember this point. So answer will be what? Plus 4 because higher number sign is plus 6. Understood? Okay, so like this you can solve your homework. Okay, these all sums you should solve and keep the solutions. If you are not getting, message me personally. I will message my Instagram ID on the description. Message me there. Message me. Now one more homework, multiplication. I will explain you this also. So what first you people take screenshot of this also. No. First priority is screenshot. People take screenshot. Took? Okay. So now let us start. 7 into minus 2. So plus 7 or 7 is same. So now forget the all signs chucker. Now only multiply only the digits. 7 into 2 is what? 14. Answer will come what? Plus 14 or minus 14. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. Now multiply the signs. Plus into minus gives you what? Minus. So answer will become minus 14. How many of you people understood? They keep thumbs up with a timestamp. Okay, this is the homework. In next class, means in next lecture, we will discuss about division of integers. So how many of you are excited? How many of you are excited? So thank you. The session is well still here only. So how many of you are excited for division of integers? In next lecture we will learn. In next lecture. Okay, in next lecture number 2 we will learn over it. Okay. So now till the time, thank you. Goodbye. Do my all homework. These practice sums are very important. Only if you listen this lecture you will not get nothing. You solve the homework problems. These homework problems you solve. If you don't solve, you will be loser in the chapter of integers. And one important thing, very important thing, I am telling about that only. Some basic formulas. This is very important. If you remember this chapter will become a piece of walk. Cake walk. This chapter will be easy. A piece of cake. Which you can easily eat away. Integers will be dead. So have you understood? So I end of a slideshow. Swipe to exit. Okay, so I end it over here. Bye bye. Bye guys.